The purpose of education for me is creating spaces in which we have the learning opportunities to create the kind of society that we want to see more broadly. My name is Roosbelinda Cárdenas. I'm Associate Professor of Cultural Anthropology and Latin American Studies. I also on the campus go by Profe, which is the Spanish short version of professor. One of my favorite things about teaching at Hampshire is that I have had the opportunity to co-teach with a number of my colleagues. We brought together not just disciplines, but scholarship that is often not brought together in the same classes. So we both learned a lot and saw a lot of synergy. My favorite form of engaging with students outside of teaching and advising is the Cuba Program. We have a full semester in which students are in Havana doing both courses and independent projects with Cuban scholars, artists, activists. And I've had the privilege to direct that program on a couple of occasions, and I'm directing it again next year. And it's just, it's everything that I love about building relationships with students, because I get to be sort of their surrogate advisor. I also get to be, in many cases, the person who introduces them to Latin America. So I also am a cultural broker. At Hampshire, at every stage, whether it has been organizing, whether it has been teaching, whether it's advising, I have learned to be patient and really live in and enjoy the process.